Welcome to Mishnah, study Masechet Sukkah, Perek Daled, Mishnah He. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss the mitzvah of Araba around the Mizbe'ah. So, what is this mitzvah of Araba that we're performing? That's our Mishnah. Mitzvah Araba Ketzad. Makom haya lemata mirushalayim v'nikra Motza. There would be a place right below Jerusalem that was called Motza. Right? You can see actually over here in the picture. They drew it up over here, and it's actually over there in south, little further below Jerusalem, I believe in south of Jerusalem. Yordim nesham umlaketim misham murbiyot shel Arava. Right, they would go down there, and they would go ahead and collect these murbiyot, right? These big branches of the Arava. By the way, Motza is also mentioned in Sefer Yoshua, right? Motza is spelled with the He. And over there, probably because also there's sources of water, and it's actually they identify this as the Castel, right, near Jerusalem, right? In Jerusalem. Now, what would they do? So they would gather these massive branches of aravot from over there. They would go ahead and they would stand them up alongside around the Mizbe'ah. You see the Kohanim in this picture on the right. They're standing these branches of the aravot all the way up to the Mizbe'ah. And the Mizbe'ah was 10 amot high, right? So these aravot had to be higher than that, right? There would be actually 11 amot, right? So they would stand all the way up, and then they would hang one amma over the Mizbe'ah. The heads of them, of the aravot, would hang over the Mizbe'ah, right? That's where we get the 11 amot from. The Kohanim would blow their hatzotzrot, right? Every day they would surround the Mizbe'ah one time. Anna Hashem Hoshi'ana, Anna Hashem Hoshi'ana. Right? Please Hashem God save us. Please Hashem God save us. Right? Pasuk from Tehillim. Rabbi Yehuda Omer, Ani vahu Hoshi'ana, Ani vahu Hoshi'ana. Right? So he said, Rabbi Yehuda says, they would say Ani vahu. What's Ani vahu? So Araba brings a couple of three pirushim here actually. One of which is his own. First, he quotes Mefarshat Talmud, the people who explain the Talmud. Right? Actually, she explains this way too, and that is Hashem. Ani is one of the names of Hashem, right? Vahu, also a name of Hashem, and he's saying, Ani, Vahu, two names of God, please save us, right? That's how the many commentators of the Gemara explain. Because Rambam says, Va'ani Omer, I'm going to tell you how I understand it, that he's calling God Anihu. Right? It's a reference to the pasuk in Ha'azinu. Right? The pasuk is Re'u'ata ki ani anihu. Right? And that's talking about a pasuk when Hashem says, I will remember and redeem Bnei Israel. So we're almost referring to Kadosh Baruch Hu in that language of the pasuk where he's saying he will save us. Right? Very nice perush, right? Anihu. So we're saying Ani Vahu. It's a reference to HaKadosh Baruch Hu in the context of him saving us from Parashat Ha'azinu. And then he also quotes the Geonim. He says, there's some of the Geonim will explain, and this is actually a quote of the Aruch, where he says, Ani is the actual person. Right? Ani Vahu, right? Ani Vahu, right? Meaning me and God, and Hashem is with me, right? In this tzara, in this troubling time, right? And obviously, it's said in more of a, in a not in a literal sense, right? More in a allegorical sense that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is with us in this in our tzara, in our sorrow, in our pain, and He should go ahead and save us. Okay, those are three pirushim, and then we'll just close off. On the seventh day, right? That's the main day of the Arava. They would go ahead and surround the Mizbe'ah 7 times, fulfilling this mitzvah of Arava.